The Congress Legislative Party today expressed their concerns regarding the spread of COVID-19 in rural areas of the state and the failure to contain the number of cases. Pointing out that vaccine hesitancy is still an issue, Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma stated that health workers administering the vaccine should be better informed so that the public can be assured of the effectiveness of the vaccines. Further, he also reiterated that the government should address the lack of manpower in PHCs and CHCs across the state.
I am telling you now that the official figure what is available on a daily basis, it will be minimum, multiple by 5 times of that figure, minimum. That means if they are showing 500 now, you multiply by 5, it will be 2,500. It's much, much more higher than the official figure. Because they are not following this contact tracing anymore. How are they going to find where the virus is hiding? So virus is striking back at will. And you continue to have this restriction, containment, uska baad mein aur kya kar raha hai? Any other thing? That's the easiest thing. Oh, virus aa gaya, lock him inside. Easiest thing. There are many other things that they have to do. Then in respect of other patients, general patients, people are not getting medical care. People are being denied of that medical care which is required to be given to them in the name of COVID. Because facilities are not created for all the respective medical institutions, for the respective 100-bedded hospitals, civil hospitals, how to aggregate the resources, how to aggregate the manpower, and how to redeploy this manpower, nothing is done. There's a complete dislocation and lack of coordination at the government level. Many decisions are taken by Chief Minister. Many decisions are taken by other secretariat level. Different decisions are taken by the health department. This is what is happening. We are deeply concerned about the failure of the government in responding to this challenge of dealing with the pandemic. What has happened now? The virus has spread to the interiors, into the rural areas. There is complete abandonment of the protocol required to be followed by the government. The various measures which are required to be put in place by the government in the rural areas to contain the pandemic, to save lives, and to dislocate the chain of transmission, and to the extent possible to prevent the possibility of another new mutant emerging, new variant emerging. You cannot rule out emerging of new variant from any part of the country, any part of the world. But the way the lack of focus and lack of priority of this government has left the pandemic to shape its own way, or giving the virus a free right of way.